Hey, this video will show you how to play C major chords and F major chords on the piano. So first the right hand, C major, of course we're using C, E, and G. Thumb goes on C, middle finger or third finger on E, and pinky or fifth finger on the G. C major. To play F major, you're going to keep your thumb on the C, move your middle finger up to F, and then your pinky will automatically move up to the A. Play those three notes. C, F, A, C, F, A. Go back to C major. C, E, G. Back to F. Try playing all the notes at once. So C major. Shift up to F major. Just remember to keep your thumb on the C. C major, F major, C major. Now for the left hand, C major is still C, E, G. Just this time put your pinky or your number 5 finger on the C. And then your thumb goes on G. So C major. For the F major, keep your pinky on C. Your second finger, keep on F, and the only one that needs to move is the thumb. That goes up to the A. C, F, A, C, F, A. Back to C major, C, E, G, C, E, G. Back to F major. Playing the chord all together, C major, F major, C major, F major. Got it?